Hello, good morning, everybody. My name is Nzioka, and for those who are new, this is my village home. This is where I come from, and today is a very early morning on Wednesday, and it's on 29th. And I just want to show you how we do it in the morning. That's my sister, the youngest sister in our family. Say hello.
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 Yeah, so that is on. She's 9 years of age, and she's trying to prepare some fire. She was preparing that fire over there. And what are you making? Lunch or breakfast?
Lunch.
Lunch. Yeah, so she's preparing lunch, and this is what we're making. So this is maize. This is Africa, man. This is what we eat for lunch here in the village. So this is maize, and we call this 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙪. Not 𝙏𝙝𝙪. How do we call it in Kenya? In my land, we call it mbombo. In my Cumberland, I don't know if we call it black beans or what we call them, but we're gonna mix both of them. She's gonna be, so she's putting water there. When I get you, so I'm just asking her what she wants to do, and yeah, I was asking her if she wants to put water on that small pot. So she's putting water from the house over there, and then she's first going to put this, wash it, and put it inside, and then we put it on fire, let it boil for some few hours. Then we'll add the maize, because the maize is just from the farm. So for those who are new in my village, this is how my home looks like. This is our house. This is our farm. This is our 10,000 liter tank, and over there we have a mango trees over there. Yeah. Oh, she just finished putting. Yeah. So, and this is our dog. He's called Soldier. Soldier. Yeah, he's called Soldier. Ah, nendo I'm busy. You get by Silian. I'm busy. We got time well. No, so I'm just telling her that she should put these black beans and clean them and just put them in the pot. That's how we do it here. She's our last one, but she has to learn. My mom is not around, and my other siblings are not around, so she's doing it. Okay. So I'm just telling her to put some water so that she can clean it, and then she'll put it in the pot already. She has already put the pot. Let me show you. There is very small pot. Here's the fire. So she's trying to ask me if she should pour the water and put another one. So that's how we learn. She's still learning. Yeah, so we understand that she's still learning. We have beautiful flowers, guys. Yeah, so she's going to add some more water into it. Are you guys excited? What do you guys think? In your village, she's actually 9, guys, actually 9. Now she's gonna add them. Why is you wanted a class 5?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, just asking her if she's going to class 5. So she's still that there's a lot of smoke, so I have to come out to talk to you guys. Yeah, so in Africa, more so in Kenya, we have education system that is 8-4-4, whereby we have 8 years in primary, 4 years in 4 years in high school and 4 years in university. And so she's in class 5, that is in primary school, class 5, and she's 9, and this is what she's doing. Amazing. She's actually our last born in my family, me being the first born. This is a real village life. In the morning here, we have to put that in the fire, and that's it, guys. Then after that has boiled for a few hours, then she'll add the maize, and that's the real life, guys, in the village. Let me help. Now she's going to add the maize to the black beans that we added like 1 hour earlier. So we have. And that is for 4 people. It's actually a lot. Yeah, so that's the typical life here in the village. We're trying to prepare lunchtime. It's around 10 in the morning, and we first added the beans, as you saw, guys, in like around 8:30. They've been boiling, and now she's adding the maize, and then after that we'll let it boil for like the next 2 hours, then it will be ready. I think you guys won't see that, but thank you for watching the video. All right, and thank you for tuning in. This is the typical village life here in the village. So that's how we do it here. Once she finishes that, just leave it for like 2 hours to boil, and then that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up, like and comment. Tell me, when you were young or in your village, do you do this? Does your young sisters, your young brothers, do they learn how to cook and prepare food when they're still young? So tell me in the comment section, and let me see you in the next one. Goodbye for watching. Goodbye for now. Thank you for watching. Yep. Tell them subscribe. And tell them to subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Please tell them to subscribe. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Yeah, that's my sister. She's got her